everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I am doing a you guys appreciation set. Does that make sense? I don't know if that makes sense, but you know what I mean, because I love you all so much. And in Rachel Wilder's Wednesday bargain, I got these little hearts. They're so bloody cute. They're like, I'm pretty sure they're Fimo, so like you can encapsulate them. But for this set, I am going to use them like I would crystals. And also, if you put 4 hearts together, they look like flowers. Nat Clark done a set and she used hearts. I was like, oh, I love what you've done with your hearts. Anyway, right, this is, I think it was called Daydream, and it is a Madam Glam gel polish. This is going to be the base colour of our nails. Now, I think you only see me doing two nails. Yeah, look, I've done 2 nails, but in actual fact, I do all 4 nails. I'm sorry, I only do 4 nails in the set, but to Thursday and Friday sets, I'm doing another set this week with five nails. So there we go, another one with 5 nails. Anyway, right, 2 coats of Daydream on the nail. Pop it in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds, and then pop your next coat on, and then pop that in the lamp. This colour has got gorgeous shimmer through it, and I want it to be a little bit special, so I thought we'd go for a shimmer. And because we recently hit 60,000 subscribers, so I wanted to do this set to say thank you to each and every one of you, and your support means like the world, and I just love you all so much. So this is why we've got the hearts. Yes. Also, keep an eye out later on in the week. I am doing a new giveaway. We haven't had a giveaway for ages. I was like, giveaway is long overdue. So in one of the videos this week, we shall be doing a giveaway. So I'm excited about that. Right, back to the nails. I've got Madam Glam's white gel paint, and I'm going to use that to create a smile line. It went really wrong. I don't know why. I don't like my smile lines at the moment. Not quite sure what. I don't know. It's really weird. I don't know. I'm just talking to myself. So yeah, I'm using the Nail Sugar Natalie Mugridge detailer brush because it's the best 7mm detailer brush. It's ultra fine. It's blooming amazing. I don't think it's in stock though, which is a shame, but you know, it will be back at some point, I'm sure. The brush I'm using to draw on the smile line, I think I've said this, and I'm doing some like lines down firstly, and then I will scoot a little smile line. I'm not making any sense. Where it's pointed, I don't want it pointy, so I'm going to curve that basically, and I just want to make sure that it's symmetrical, because there's nothing worse than a wonky smile line. And I don't know what it was, it just constantly seemed, I don't know, I just wasn't happy with this. But in the end, you know, I faff. In the end, I just like, you know what, that's going to do, because it got a bit like that in the end. It was getting a bit painful. I also wanted to just make the bottom bit a little bit wider, so I think it was this nail. I do get my little cleany uppy brush and dip it in a little bit of alcohol, and I will use that to just widen the very lower part. Hang on, maybe it wasn't this one. I'm not sure. No, it might not have been this one, unless I did it and I just cut it out. I might just cut it out. But I'm going back over now with some Velvet Matte top coat, because I want this set to be matte finished. Don't worry about the shimmer. The shimmer looks nice matted and not matted, because it's like it's like iridescent. It's not hollow. So there we go. See? So you've still got that shimmer in there. Okay, so we're going to do that on 3 of the nails. There we go. If you are doing the 5th nail, just do another one of those, because you can have 4 of those, and then this one is going to be our accent nail. So I'm going to use the hearts that I got from Rachel Wilder's 10p mystery bundle that's worth over 20 quid. Absolutely amazeballs. And I'm using some Crystal Totalist gem glue. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just spread the hearts all over this nail. So I'm going to put some gem. I wanted to put one of each colour heart on. So I think there was 8 hearts in total. So I'm going to put like 8 blobs. I'm going to treat them as if they were crystals. You can, I don't know if I said this before, but you can encapsulate Fimo like shapes and stuff. So if you want to, you can encapsulate them. But because I'm using gel polish, I am going to just stick them on the top. Because why not? They'd be too thick to actually encapsulate in, you know, like top coat. So you can't do that. So once I've finished with my gem glue, I'm just using my crystal picker upper. I think this is the Crystal Pro from Scarlet Centre, to place those little hearts on. There you go, you can see a bit better now. And then I'm going to pop those into the lamp for just a quick flash cure to keep those in place, because then what I'm going to do is we're going to get some crystals. So I've got Vintage Rose, these are Preciosa from the Crystal Parade, and we've got Peridot. These pots are like mixed sizes. I do write the sizes on them, but they're usually mixed sizes. I've got Tanzanite. And we have got Sun, which is like it's the most gorgeous orange. And what's this one? Preciosa Rose. Have I got one more? No, Citrine. Maybe I've got Light Sapphire as well. I feel like I've got another one. I love Citrine as well. That's such a nice yellow. Yeah, look, Light Sapphire, which is a nice blue. Okay, so those are all the crystals we're using. You can get 5% off the Crystal Parade, anything from the Crystal Parade, using my code NAT5, all in caps. And also you can get 30% off Madam Glam using my code NATMUG30 as well. All the links and discount codes and things I will leave down in the description box. So if there's anything else you need, if you have a look, if there's anything there you think, oh, I need an e-file, oh, Melody Susie have e-files, I'll go and see if Nat's got a discount code. Go to my description box. Oh, look, Nat's got a discount code. Use the discount code. Yeah, we go. There we go. So anytime you need anything, check my description box first in case I've got a discount code. Because a lot of the time, you'll save money and I might earn a little bit of commish. And at the moment, I need to earn lots of commish. I'm not getting any though. Boo-hoo. I know, life goes on. Anyway, look, I'm now placing lots of different coloured crystals just randomly between the hearts. I know this is like a really wacky kind of accent now, but I was like, I think this is going to be a bit like Marmite. People are either going to kind of like this or they're going to hate it. I just really liked it because it was all cute and hearty, and this is my set to show my love for you guys. So I know it's a bit like bleh, bit vomit, a bit bleh, but I just, you know, without you guys I wouldn't be here. So much love to you all. The crystals are absolutely gorgeous. Just a few more. I kind of like that they was all separate. You could do like a bit of a cluster, but sometimes I like that they are, you know, they've got like gap between. There we go. Oh, I love that so much. What else have I got? I think I'm gonna, oh, hang on. Looks like we're putting one more in this one. Sometimes they don't want to turn over. They're right little pickles. 2 hours later. There we go. I'm quite happy with that. So I will pop that into the lamp for a full 60-second cure. Isn't it nice though? I love it. And then I'm going to move on to the French nails. So with these ones, I'm literally going to put one heart and one crystal on here. So the heart is going to sort of follow the smile line. And then I will put a crystal just underneath that heart. And remember, if you are doing a fifth nail, just pick out a different heart colour. So this one I've done with light pink. I'm going to do another one with purple because I love purple. Purple. It's my favourite colour. Actually, I do like loads of colours, but I think in general, purple is my go-to colour. I like lilac. Oh, and I like mint green as well. That's one of my favourite colours, which is why I chose a mint green one. So if you were doing another nail, you could go with an orange one or a dark pink or whatever colour. I don't know, it doesn't matter, you know. Whatever. There we go. And then just to finish it off, I'm using the Madam Glam gel paint again and a dotting tool. And I'm just going to dip that dotting tool into the gel paint, and I'm just going to put some dots on. I haven't done many dots. I don't usually do dots, but I just thought they would look kind of nice just to finish off this set. So down each side, I'm trying to make sure they're all even. You know, like I've got the same amount of dots each side. Same spacing, you know. And I'm going to do that on all of these French nails. I had quite a lot of gel paint on this one. You see? And there we go. I've done it on all of them. I'm going to pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then this is the finished set. So if I were to do another one, I'd probably use a yellow heart because I like the yellow one. There we are. Right, I'm going to show you a quick close-up. There we go. I really love these. I hope you did too. Again, just a massive thank you to everyone who has subscribed and who follows me just generally on social media. You're all amazing. I love your heaps. And don't forget, discount codes are in the description box below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you beautiful lot on Thursday with another video. Love you all.